Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Virgo, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2023. This is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Let's see your overall energy, Virgo. Ngayong October. Wheel of Fortune. This is karma. This is destiny. So, things are moving forward, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, magmo-move on na kayo from a situation na feeling stuck. This can be feeling stuck sa career, can be feeling stuck sa relationship. So, there's movement going on, no? Ngayong October. And whatever you have been working on, ano man yung mga tinatrabaho mo, ine-effortan mo, relationship, trabaho, career, ngayong October, makakita ka na ng resulta dyan or ng progress. May improvement. Okay. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? The Three of Cups. So, maaring iba sa inyo magkaroon ng challenging situation with a friend. Pwede magkaroon ng miscommunication, misunderstanding, or yung expression ng feelings, no? Maaring may mga times na you can't really express yourself sa ibang tao, or maaring meron kang ine-express pero hindi tinatanggap ng iba. Like, can be anything. Can be your ideas or yung feelings mo. So, I think you just need to i-accept mo na lang yung mga bagay na wala kang control. Kasi, syempre, if you're going to parang ipipilit yung mga bagay na gusto mo sa iba na hindi naman nila tinatanggap, it might just create some frustration sa sarili mo. Okay? So, that's your challenge. Let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Virgo ngayong October? You have the Knight of Pentacles. So, there's prosperity, opportunity for you to prosper in your career, in your business, related sa finances ninyo. This is slowly but surely, no? I think this is something to do with your investment or yung mga trinabaho nyo in the past. So, ano siya, hindi siya actually na parang biglaan yung progress niya. At least nakikita mo na nag-grow. Para kang nagtanim, no? Ng puno or ng halaman. And then, syempre, may prosesong pagdadaanan. But every day, hindi mo man napapansin, no? Kasi lalo na kung you are checking on it every day. Pero, every day, meron yung progress. Umuunlad, nag-grow yung halaman mo. Okay? So, this is slowly but surely. You have the opportunity to benefit from your career, your business, unti-unti. Okay? So, your blessing, ano yung blessing ng mga Virgo? The Hierophant. This is structure, this is knowledge. Maaring meron kang blessing of knowledge and wisdom na makukuha mo from your research, from your learnings, no? Yung mga pinag-aaralan mo. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na mag-share rin, no? Mag-share ng iyong knowledge and skills. You can be a mentor, you can be a trainer, you can be a coach, a teacher by October. So I feel like you are leveling up, no? Yung iyong kaalaman, yung career mo. Some of you, maaring meron ding blessing of like a commitment with someone na, let's say for example, meron kang karelasyon, you feel like parang walang progress yung relationship ninyo, but by October, makakakita ka ng progress. Yung iba, ma-engage, yung iba magpapakasal, or you will find your partner na mas nagiging responsible sa relationship ninyo. Your money energy. Let's see your money. Knight of Wands. Oo, pagdating sa finances ninyo, medyo magpigil sa paggastos. Oo, kasi you might be parang spending a lot, no, when you're with your finances. And also to monitor your cash flow. Monitor yung pasok ng pera, tsaka yung labas ng pera, para alam mo, no, makokontrol mo yung expenses mo. Let's see your career. Your career is the Two of Cups. So this is business partnership. Maaari ring merong offer sa'yo to collaborate with someone sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. May commitment dito, may kontrata. You might also be signing a contract, a new contract sa trabaho, sa career. And then, sa love naman, you have the Emperor. So, the Emperor is about law and order. So, some of you maaring mag-aasikaso ng papeles related sa inyong relationship sa kasal ninyo. Ganyan. Some of you naman, meron kayong kailangang asikasuhin ng mga documents related sa kasal ninyo. Like, kuha kayo ng certificate of marriage or certificate of no marriage. Ganon. And also, yung iba naman, pagdating sa relationship, more structured kayo. So, meron ditong matibay na pundasyon when it comes to your relationship. But if you are single, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo pagdating sa relationship. So, you know your standards, you know what you want, and you will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Okay? So, let's see what else. Oops. Okay. Ito, nalaglag. So, you have, may recognition for you. So, I think yung mga work mo, yung ginagawa mo ngayon, this is going to be recognized by a lot of people. May admiration sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo nasa public life, no? Public figure. You can be a public servant, nasa government kayo, public service, or nasa social media na kung saan maraming tao nakakapanood sa inyo. Ayan, may appreciation and recognition and fame. So, mas magiging famous kayo. And also, meron ditong, wisdom. Yeah, you are opening up. You're becoming more conscious about yourself. Maaring yung iba sa'yo nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. You are learning more about spirituality. You are diving deeper. Meron kang nire-research about anything na spiritual belief, no, na gusto mo pang matuklasan. Gray. Endings are inevitable. So, you might be ending a connection, a contract, a relationship. Something is going to end ngayong October for you. But, of course, this is going to bring you new opportunities. Endings are beginnings, diba? When something ends, something begins. That's the cycle of life. And you also have the Star. You can manifest every wish. So, if you are into manifestation, just continue what you want to manifest in your life. And of course, manifestation requires action. So, you need to take action. Samahan mo ng action yung mga dinadasal mo, yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Para yun talaga mas maging very powerful, maging in alignment. So, let's see what else. Okay. Chain of events that will affect your life. May mga ganap ngayong October sa'yo na para siyang pwedeng connected sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And of course, maaapektuhan ka rin doon. So, be sensitive sa nangyayari sa paligid mo. Dahil somehow, it will also affect your life. you are highly thought of. Someone is going to be thinking about you. This can be a romantic person or maaring yung mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, yung mga followers mo, yung mga nag-a-admire sa'yo. Kasi I see recognition and admiration sa'yo. Parang celebrity energy to. Yeah, so I think you are someone na who can really influence other people. So that's why use it to help others. Okay? Para makatulong sa iba. So that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.